Hey everyone, it's Farah from Zoom here. On this recording, I will be walking you through how you can schedule meetings directly from Outlook. We will cover how you can schedule meetings from Office 365, as well as how you can schedule meetings from a different version of Office like Microsoft 2016. In my first video, I did review how you can sign up for a free account and how you can download the software. You will need to have a Zoom account created and be signed in for these next steps to work. Feel free to open your Outlook and follow along if you'd like. I'm going to share a quick PowerPoint slide. We will review Outlook 365 first, and then we'll move into some of the plugins for Office 2016. So as previously mentioned, you will want to head over to our download center. You can go over to zoom.us/download and click the Add Zoom for Microsoft Outlook add-in. By clicking this first, you'll have the ability to then add us directly from your Outlook. You will want to head into Outlook and find the Get Add-ins button located across the ribbon on the top. And when you click that, you'll have a pop-up. Of course, there will be some editor's choice and all of the add-ins available. We would suggest, since we're alphabetically at the end, just searching for us by typing in Zoom here. You'll see Zoom for Outlook pop up and you can click the Add button. There will be some confirmation that you're allowing Zoom to speak with your calendar software so that we can send meeting invitations directly from Outlook. Clicking the Continue button will then add Zoom directly to Outlook. Now you can click into a tile to pick a date and time that you would like to run your meeting. And when this opens the invitation, you'll see that Add a Zoom Meeting button across the top. By clicking this, you'll get a pop-up on your right-hand side, and you can either just simply click the blue button to add the meeting details, or you can scroll down and customize some of the settings. I'll show you a full list of the settings here. This will allow you to set customization, like allowing for your host video to be on or off, as well as having participants join with their video on or off. You can select to use telephone and computer audio, and you can even enable join before host so folks can join the meeting prior to you arriving. I always like this feature as well, muting your participants upon entry. Now, of course, you don't have to customize these meetings every time. Again, you can use the one-click Add a Zoom Meeting to set it and forget it. And what it'll look like once you click that blue button is a populated meeting invitation. You'll see that this will have an invite with phone numbers to dial into if you're connecting over the phone, as well as a link to click, one touch to then join your meeting. Treat this like any other invitation you send. Subject can be changed at the top. You can also update the date, the time, and the duration of the meeting. Once you have your details set, make sure you click the invite button to add email addresses of people you'd like to join your meeting before clicking send. We're going to move on to scheduling meetings from the Zoom plugin for Microsoft Outlook. So as you may remember, zoom.us/download is where you're going to want to go to download. You'll see this smaller link here. Download the plugin for Microsoft Outlook. By downloading the plugin, again, you may have to sign out and sign back in to your Outlook, and you'll need to make sure you're signed into Zoom. But by doing this through Outlook, you'll be able to see the Zoom tiles along the top. It'll be on the left-hand side for Windows, and it'll be on the right-hand side if you're on a Mac. Simply click the Schedule a Meeting button or the Add a Zoom Meeting button to get the similar pop-ups that we saw to the add-in. Same thing, host video on or off, participants video on or off, and some of those meeting options like enabling your join before host feature or muting participants upon entry. In this version of the plugin, you can even click the Save and Do Not Show Me These Settings Again for the future. By clicking the Continue button, make sure again that you've downloaded that desktop client from our first video. You'll see the meeting invitation populate here. Same thing, topic, date, time, duration, and adding people's email addresses before you hit the send button. I hope this video was helpful in getting you to start scheduling your meetings out of Outlook. Stay tuned for my next video, which will review how you can control the meeting once you start it. Thanks again for your time, and I hope you enjoy using Zoom.